Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to attempt to put this in the van. I've wanted a safing van for some time now, so when I come across this one, and I got it for nothing, which is a plus, I thought, why not? Now I was after putting it under these seats here, the front twin seat. I was after putting it in here, but it's too wide, and these parts here get in the way, so it's a bit of a mess in there. Don't really use it for anything, to be fair. That's what I wanted it for, but it's too wide, and like I said, these parts get in the way, so I've had to have a rethink, and I'm going to put it at the back. So where I'm thinking of having it is, I'll just open these up, is I'm after doing it, well, putting it in this bit here under here where my cupboard is, and this part here. See if I can stick a light on. Obviously I've got all my, what I've got behind there is my tow bar and all sorts of stuff with, you know, my long bar for towing and stuff, so I'm after sticking it in this area here. So what I need to do is I need to take, is that an 8mm? I need to take, bear with me, this one out of here. Oh, it is an 8mm. That was lucky, wasn't it? Right, so let's get the spanner on it. Hang on. Take that out of there. There's that one out of there. And then I need to go on the inside and take some screws out. Bear with. That's off. Just take this away. That's where I want the safe. It's sat nicely there. It's not too bad there. Now back of here, like I said, you can't really see anything. I've not got real much light. In fact, what I'll do, I'll get a big light, and we'll get it illuminated a bit. I've got this brace that we've got at the back, and I'm considering going through this brace into the back of the safe, but I might do it in a couple of places and see how we go. And that should hold it tight to the back of the bed area. We'll see. This is number 2. I've got the safe and I've got a bit of masking tape on back, and what I'll do then is I put a pen through holes where I've drilled, and then I'll roughly know where to put the drill holes for the safe. Right, I've gone a bit overkill with masking tape, but I didn't want to get in there and then have to faff about, so what I'm going to do, put it in now. I'll try it with a Sharpie. If it's too thick to go through it all, then I'll do it with a pen, well, just an ordinary ballpoint pen or whatever, and see if I can make a mark, and we'll go from there. And we'll see if it works. Right, I've managed to drill one at holes, but as you can see there, that's where my other pen mark were, and that's my other one there. So I'll have 3 then. Excellent. What the safe looks like now. A bit of carpet on it. It's a bit better than what it did. So, like I say, we'll stick that in the van now. See what it looks like. Fingers crossed, it should look alright. Not that you really notice it anyway, but I know, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. Right. We'll get back to the van. Right, that's 2 bolts in. I didn't swear. No, I didn't swear. Not much. So I've got this one in down here, that one in right up there. I just need to get that one in. So I'll save you from me shouting a bit, just making sure I get them through and that. Other than that, it's solid. It's in there. Right, I'll close it up, and that's that. That's the safe in. That's what it will look like from there. So it's in there now, and it's not going anywhere. So now I'm going to put the fascia plate on. Tighten this up onto here now. That's that one. Plug my head. Put that into there. Let's see if I can see where. Oh, wrong there. What I'm doing there. There we go. We're all done. Eventually got there. I'll put the plate back on now, so I'll spin you around and we'll have a look at what's what. Close the gate, close the fascia. and we're cooking. And that's that. That's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please subscribe, leave a thumbs up and smash that notification bell on the next video, which I hope to be doing very soon. We're going away soon, so, well, yeah, we are. So if you want to see more, or there's something you'd like to see, please leave a comment below, and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks very much for watching anyway. Stay safe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.